Hey, welcome back. We're taking a road trip to South Dakota this time. We spent a couple days up there. So we're about halfway there. It started to rain. It's going to rain for the next couple days. So we'll just see what happens. I got plans, but I don't know if they're going to work out with the weather. So we're just going to play it by ear. We've got a couple hundred miles to go. We'll find some place to crash tonight, and tomorrow we should be in South Dakota. So stick around. Morning. Got a few hours of sleep at a Walmart last night, and we're back on the road. Should be in South Dakota anytime now. So it's a beautiful morning, 60 degrees, partly cloudy. It's gonna be rain later today, but that's all right. We'll be all right with it. So we'll see what happens. Well, that was interesting. First sign of buffalo this trip. I'm sure we're going to see more. They're everywhere over here. Let's see if I can get out of here. We are in Wind Cave National Park. We're not too far from the cave, apparently. We're kind of headed that way. Was hoping to see buffalo this morning, and we got lucky and saw them right away. So I'm excited about that. Hopefully we get a little closer. Not too close, but hopefully we get closer. I just spent 2 hours at Wind Cave National Monument, or National Park. Did a tour. It's pretty cool. Couldn't take my GoPro in there, but I snapped a bunch of photos. I'll pick a few and post them. So, hope you guys enjoy those. If you ever get a chance, you need to stop by and check it out. It's pretty cool. The rain is coming. So we're driving Needles Highway. It's It's roughly a 13-mile stretch of Highway 89. It runs from like Highway 16 up to Sylvan Lake. It's probably one of my favorite places to drive. I've been on this highway a couple times in the motorcycle. Never disappoints. Just one of those things you have to do if you come to South Dakota. I think I said 89, it's actually 87. We're at Needle's Eye. This is what you come here for. Come to see this. I really enjoy this place. If you haven't noticed, I'm a rocks over trees guy. I'd much rather look at rocks all day. Gotta check this stuff out before the rain gets here. It's sprinkling here. It's supposed to storm today, but maybe we'll get this in before it hits. Well, the touristy stuff is over. It's raining, so we gotta find some place to stop for the night. We'll see what happens. I got a plan, but I'm not sure it's gonna work out. Who knows? Playing it by ear, as usual. Tonight we're making Hawaiian Sausage Skillet. And by the way, if you can't hear it, you probably can. It is raining outside. It's rained on me off and on all day long. So the plan was to camp in the forest in the middle of nowhere tonight, but with all the rain they got on the forest roads, I didn't think it was safe. So I've got a campground site. If it stops raining, I'll show you around, but that may not happen. So anyway, let's get dinner going. It's been a long day and I'm getting hungry. So we're cooking Polish sausage, onions, and green peppers. And we'll put some other stuff in there. And I need a beer. I need a beer. There it is. How was that for a camera shot? Bounce the camera everywhere. I don't know if you noticed, I got a USB chargeable fan. It works pretty good. I used it last night. Kept it nice and cool in here. Kept all the humidity down. I liked it. Well, it looks like the sun's coming out. Maybe the rain stopped. Okay, I think it's time we'll add the pineapple in. Now we're going to add the sauce. It's soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, cornstarch, and some pineapple juice. Kind of wish I'd used a bigger pan. Looking pretty good. Onions look nice and soft. I don't know about the peppers. The pineapple was hot. The sausage was brown. We just let this cook for a little bit. And that is not looking too bad, honestly. Ooh, that's nice. Nice and sweet, a little tangy. Take that. Probably overcooking it, but I want that sauce down a little bit. All right, check this out. It's pretty good looking, right? It's dark in here. Welcome to America, and everything's perfect. It is dark in here. Hey, maybe I'll show you instead. You see that? Ooh, focus, focus. I don't want to spill it. Oh, oh. Hey, look at that. Looks good. Could have cooked the sauce a little longer, but I think it'll be all right. There's plenty there, so. Actually, you know what? I think I'll use the sauce bowl. It's not gonna matter, right? Nobody's gonna know. It's good. It's hot. It's good. Let that cool off a little bit. I forgot it's got brown sugar in the sauce. That and the pineapple, it's nice and sweet. It's really good. I highly recommend it. For once, my vegetables are cooked right. I didn't take them off too soon. I think if I made it again, I think I'd put like chili flakes or something in it. Give it just a little bit of kick. It'd be good. Well, I'm going to finish eating dinner, clean up my mess, and we'll hang out for a while. We'll see you in a bit. Well, we got dinner cleaned up, and it's time to relax for a little bit. So I'm going to watch some Rockford Files on Prime, and try to get some sleep tonight. And tomorrow we'll get up and see what happens. So we'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. I think we're going to wrap this one up. We're leaving Spearfish now. If you ever get a chance to stay at the Spearfish City Campground, I highly recommend it. Really a nice place. Like I said, I'm wrapping this one up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.